For shipment, it has passed 100 stress tests in CNAS certified laboratories, 2,000 hours of continuous full load operation at 45 degrees centigrade, and plus or minus 25% adaptability test for grid voltage fluctuation. For other similar designs, this one is a smart high-end design, designed for countries with unstable power supply, supporting three-phase unbalanced load, especially as suitable for commercial places such as hotels, shopping malls, schools, offices, etc., to prevent damage caused by phase imbalance, and it controls the switch on and off of the diesel generator. When the diesel generator is charged to 80%, it will automatically disconnect and no longer charge, realizing efficient fuel utilization, reducing operating costs, environmental protection and sustainable energy use. It has an EMS management system, which truly realizes integration and IoT functions.